My name is Thuy Hoang, studying Women and Leisure class for 2018. Welcome back to my second vlog. My activity is how to build a computer. So I think this is a hard project because I think for a female, build a computer is not easy at all. Um, Building a computer sounds like impossible and impossible task because we have to deal with a lot of technical things. So I already finished about 70% of this project. I still have a lot of things to do. As you can see, there's a lot of components still haven't assembled yet. So doing this activity, I feel like it because I can see how patient I am, and also attaching on this component is like a fun. But what I dislike is there's so many detail, and sometimes I don't know. I get lost. I don't know what to do, and I have to like learn the name of this component. It's like here is the main board. Um, Here is the power supply unit, the driver. I mean, this is the hard drive. This is the CD drive, and there's a lot of like cable, data cable and power cable. This is the cable, the power core for the motherboard provide power to the brain. So connect to the power supply. So I think this project is so challenging be, um, because there's so many details, and sometimes I get lost. Sometimes I attach it wrong and I have to take it off and attach it again. I keep like did it wrong over and over so many times, and sometimes I get hurt also because of some like difficult part like this. I hurt my hand, my fingers. Um, so because when start this project, I didn't think it's easy at all. It's so tricky, especially for the first time. To get this project started, I talk a lot of my friend, my boyfriend who have experience about building a computer, and I also like go find the second-hand components because this is my first time. I don't want to waste of money to buy the new um, components because it's so delicate and I may break it. And I also go on the internet to look for instruction. I think internet have a very good source to help how to build a computer. So while building a computer is not easy at all, but because I have no knowledge of computer, so it takes quite a long time for me to assemble this component. But I think it's going well until now, and I hope I can finish this project by next week. So thank you for watching my video. See you next vlog.